going to teach you to make steamed eggs using an espresso wand. I know it sounds funny. It's absolutely amazing because it fluffs them up, they cook in 30 seconds, and it's just a fun trick to do. So, try this out at home if you have an espresso maker that has a steam wand. Let's get started. I like to start by putting a little bit of olive oil into the espresso pitcher so that the egg doesn't stick to it. So just a splash. Great. The next step is to crack 2 eggs into the pitcher. At this point, I like to add a little bit of sea salt and then a big pat of butter, or about as much as you would put into scrambled eggs. And then finish by breaking up the egg yolks. Now at this point, what we're going to do is froth the eggs in the same way as we would froth milk for a latte or a cappuccino. And we're trying to inject the steam into the eggs so that we make a whirlpool that will heat the eggs evenly. And when they bind all of a sudden because they're cooked, we immediately turn off the steam. All right, let's get started. So go ahead and invert the eggs onto a plate, and at this point you can season them. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and then some smoked paprika. I'll shave some pecorino on top, and then finish it up with some microgreens that I've grown here. And now it's done. Time to give it a taste. So there you have it, espresso steamed eggs. Thanks for watching Cooking with Love, and we'll see you next time.